Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prishita Pathak, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do half cut crease. As you can see, I did it today. This is a half cut crease, so we have to put the concealer and do it. So if you are interested in watching this eyeshadow technique, so please keep watching. So for the first color, I will be taking this color. As you can see, I have hooded eyes, so I'm building the color a little bit higher from my crease so that it can appear more nicely, or else it will just hide the colors when I open my eyes. So I will just build it a little higher from my crease. Now after applying that color as my transition color, I will take this shade. Taking very less product, I'm gonna apply it on the top of the transition color just to create some depth and color. I'm gonna take the same color and put it on the outer corners too. And then slowly joining it with the colors in my crease. Now it is time for cutting the crease. I'm using Maybelline concealer. You can use any concealer you want to. Now I'm gonna take a very thin brush and gonna take the concealer with it. As you can see, it is still wet. I'm just diffusing the harsh line. If this creates the line, then it will be hard to diffuse it afterwards. So I'm just doing it right now. Then after I have applied the concealer as my half cut crease, I will set it with the lighter shade in this palette, this one. I'm gonna apply it with my finger. I'm just gonna lightly set it as I don't want to move the concealer. I'm just gonna apply this glittery shade on top of my cut crease I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. For the corners, I'm gonna be using a brush to apply it. I'm gonna be using the same brush from which I applied the concealer. I've not applied way too much glitter. I've just applied a normal amount so that the cut crease can be more visible. You can see. Now I will apply onto my other eye as well. So I'm done with the cut crease. I'm just gonna blend a little to, diffuse any harsh lines. Now I'm just gonna take the same brown color and gonna apply it onto my lower lash line. I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corners. Now after that I'm gonna be applying an eyeliner. Now I'm gonna complete the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So I hope you enjoyed the video of half cut crease and I hope you learned how to do half cut crease. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in my next video.